Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Rainbow Six Siege server connection errors. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to go to Windows Defender Firewall. Then you need to look for a Windows Defender Firewall Advanced Settings. Then here you need to select Inbound Rules, create new rule, then select port. Then here you need to select TCP and on specific local ports, you need to write 49152-655-35, right? And then you just need to allow connection. This is good, and then name it Rainbow Six Siege, for example, and press finish. Next thing, what you need to do here, you need to write run or press on Windows N key. Then here you need to write gpedit.msc. Press OK. On this new window here, select Windows Settings. Then right click on Policy-Based QoS, Advanced QoS Settings. Then press DCP Marking Override. And then make sure these options is selected. Then right click again, create new policy. Here you need to give it a name, so Rainbow 6. And on specify DCP values, select just write 46. Press next. Then select only applications with this executable name. Then go to Steam, right click on Rainbow Six Siege, go to Properties, Install Files, Browse. Then here you need to look for a exe file, right? So look for Rainbow Six Siege exe, and then you just need to copy the path here, right? Then what you need to do here, you just need to copy not the path, but the name, right? So you just need to copy Rainbow Six, then go back, and then you just need to paste it and then write exe, right? Press next, and these options are good here. And here you just need to press TCP and UDP and finish it up. Next thing what you need to do here is to open up CMD, right click on it, run as admin. Here what you need to do here is to write ipconfig/flush DNS, and another command is nesh winsock reset, right? After that you need to go to view advanced system settings. You just need to go to control panel, then network and internet, network and sharing center, select this option here, or this option, change adapter settings, right click on your internet connection, go to properties, internet protocol version 4, and then use the following DNS server addresses. And on preferred DNS server, you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on an alternate DNS server, 8.8.4.4, apply the changes. And then what you need to do here is to go to settings, then go to network and internet, advanced network settings, network reset your network, and it should work. So yeah, that's basically it.